Planning a move from Bend to Grants Pass? Before booking a moving company, it helps to understand what can affect your price. Your moving cost depends on more than just the miles. It also depends on your home size, timing, services, and how much needs to be moved. A Bend to Grants Pass move is a city-to-city relocation within Oregon. So movers will consider travel distance, drive time, fuel, and route planning. Even when you're staying in the same state, the logistics can still affect your estimate. The more furniture, boxes, and household items you have, the more time and labor your move may require. A small apartment move will usually cost less than moving a full home with heavy furniture, appliances, garage items, and outdoor equipment. Packing services, furniture disassembly, storage, specialty items, stairs, and tight scheduling can all change your moving quote. These services can make the move much easier, but it's important to mention them early so your estimate is more accurate. Before choosing Bend to Grants Pass movers, compare moving quotes. This gives you a clearer picture of your options and helps you find professional movers that match your schedule, budget, and move type. 3 Movers helps connect you with moving options for local moves, city-to-city moves, long-distance moves, apartment moves, full-service moving, and packing help. It's a simple way to start planning with more confidence and fewer surprises. So before you guess your Bend to Grants Pass moving cost, take a few minutes to compare your options. Visit 3movers.com and start your free moving quote today. A smoother Oregon move starts with a clearer plan.